soon as the client comes, you can just say, what's the name of your cafe? Back Local. Now, if the client comes in the morning, you all are going to start on Saturday in the morning, right? Morning. So you all will start with the morning. So good morning, sir, or good morning, ma'am. Don't go with madam. Okay, it sounds a little outdated maybe. You can say ma'am. Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, welcome to Back Local. Say it. Welcome to Back Local. Say it again. Say it 3 times. Welcome to Back Local. Say it with a smile. Okay. Well, now listen. Should I switch to Hindi sometimes or no? Yes or no? English is okay. अगर मैं आपके घर को आई, okay? आप ऐसे बाहर ठहरोगे या मैम प्लीज़ कम इनसाइड, हमारे घर में आइए, खाना खाइए, खुशी से आप इनवाइट करेंगे, राइट? वैसे ही आप क्लाइंट को इनसाइड यू हैव टू इनवाइट सेइंग गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, वेलकम टू बैक लोकल. कैन वी से ट्राई इट अगेन 3 times? अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट? क्यों हमको स्माइल दे के इन्वाइट करना है? ये हमारी कैफ़े है, आप लोग यहाँ पे फेस ऑफ द कैफ़े. You understand what is face of the cafe? First thing that the client sees is y'all, right? So आपको अपनाना है, कैफे हमारा है ऐसा दिल में, and smile and welcome. Okay? So what will you say? If it's afternoon, you will say good afternoon. If it's a male, you will say good afternoon, sir. If it's evening, you will say good evening. Okay? Don't say good night. Evening welcome will be good evening, sir. Okay? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ma'am, sir. Okay? So we are going to practice that. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local. Welcome to Back Local. 3 times we are going to say it as a group, then individually. Okay? Ready? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to Back Local. Welcome to Back Local. Welcome to will be together. And then Back Local. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local.
Excellent. 2 more times.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local.
Very good.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local.
Okay, now you got the how you say it. Okay? But अभी दिल से करना है. Welcome. Okay? So, अगर मैं आपके घर को आई, if I come to your house, good morning, ma'am. Welcome to my house. You will not say like that, right? So you will personalize it. You will customize it. You will say it personal, in a personal way. So one by one, everyone will say. I will show you once. Sean, just come here. If Sean is the client, I will say like this. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local. Okay? Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Back Local. Understood? Okay. Can we try?
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Back Local.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Back Local.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Back Local.
Excellent.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Back Local.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Back Local.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Back Local.
Good, very good. Excellent. Okay, everyone got it right? Okay. If you do not want to repeat the same thing, welcome to Back Local, welcome. Now tomorrow, because it's the launch, you will say welcome to Back Local, okay? And sometimes the same clients will come, maybe on Sunday, maybe on Monday, same clients will come. So you can just say, good morning, ma'am, how are you? Because you know the client. Got it? ओके अभी आप वो कस्टमर को पहचानते हो क्योंकि 2-3 बार आपने इंटरेक्ट किया. ओके सैटरडे को आया कस्टमर, संडे को आया, मंडे को आया, सेम कस्टमर. सो वेलकम टू बैक लोकल. यू डोंट हैव टू से यू व्हाट विल यू से? गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, हाउ आर यू? गुड मॉर्निंग सर, हाउ आर यू? प्लीज टेक अ सीट. ओके नाउ everybody understood? Greeting. Okay, welcome to Back Local or how are you? Okay.